It is part 2. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a couple of fits that I got from Shein. Everything about these fits will be linked in my description box down below, so you can check them out. Check for codes, because you know your girl is always giving the gems on codes and really cute finds, period. This video is basically going to be a Shein try-on haul, and these fashion senses are just becoming like so cool. Your girl is getting into something very different, so I decided to give it a try and see what they look like on me. So right now I actually have on one fit and they're not coordinated together, but these are just the selective pieces that I found. So some might not make no sense, but if you guys actually want to see me style these clothes, just let me know in the comments below and I got you. But right now it's just a demonstration. I'm just showing you guys basically what I got and I'm trying them on. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed here, hi, welcome, it's me, Teddy Bell Gems. Welcome to the family. Join the family. You won't regret it here. I give a lot of gems and a lot of cute finds, and especially for my content creators and how to make money. Okay, yeah, so, and if you are not new, welcome back. It's good to see you. I had to hide my chain. That's why you see this bulk here. We wanted to show you guys the details about this shirt, and it's really pretty. It has like a whole bunch of like little diamonds and stuff, crystals on it, which gives it like that cute little bling. Don't mind the mess, y'all. I am literally doing a clothing haul. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy. So breathable. It has like this little belt for adjusting if needed. You can't tell me that this is not something you would not wear. What? I can't even begin to explain how much I really love this fit. Like, I do not want to take this off. Like, okay, next fit. All right, y'all, so once again, I'm hiding my chain because I really want to amplify on the shirt itself. She is really cute. Look at these little bows. I love the details that they got going on this shirt. I'm not gonna lie, this is not something I would typically go for, which is crazy, but she's really cute. I still have the pink pants on, like I said. Doesn't necessarily scream this is an outfit, but she's kind of cute though together. It's kind of giving pink lemonade. If I really take my time and put these fits together, y'all, your girl is gonna be bougie. I don't think y'all ready for that. I'm not ready for that though. Next fit, y'all. Y'all let me know. Do y'all like this shirt? Do y'all like the color? So I kept the same shirt on, but I changed the pants. And the pants is, it's really cute. I just have one small thing to say about it. I'm kind of a tall girl, so the fact that it doesn't go all the way down like I need it to, Shein. But I could give this like a 9. What? Why? Because you can grade. Let's pay attention to the details. She still got her tag. And this is the brand. This is also with Shein. She's really stretchy. Very stretchy. I can do all of this. The material looks like jeans, but it's like elastic. Spider-Man. Okay, I'm done. I'm feeling very chefy. Like I'm about to serve you the best dish that you ever had in your life. It's so pretty, and I'm not a turtleneck fan. I'm not that. So the fact that this, I would actually wear this. I don't know, is it the sleeves? The fact that the sleeves are just so long, I don't know. I really don't know. And then this beautiful embroidery of roses in the middle, and the fact that it's not red, thank you, because I can match this with absolutely anything. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow, just crazy. First of all, I gotta say, these outfits, if I seen it in the store, y'all, I would not go for it. I probably would be like, oh, that's cute, but not on me. Y'all, don't ever think something is not cute if you haven't tried it. Because, what the hell? What the helly? What the Halle Berry? What the? What the Don Julio? What the Who's Who? What the Shein? No? Okay. Let's get into the details real fast. This is the details. Wow. Yo, this skirt is actually really small for me. And I had to put it like really up. So bear with me. But, yo, okay, you know what? This is actually not that bad. Oh my gosh, it gives. I mean, this is seriously high. But I think it's not, I don't know. How do y'all feel about a skirt being this high up? I mean, it's alright, but you know, like, you really have to have like a crop top kind of shirt or a certain style, because I'm gonna want to bring this skirt out. Probably something like this. Wow, she is so beautiful. She sparkles. Okay, hold on. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. Oh my god. She's giving what she's supposed to give, okay? Next. If you literally ask me right now, who am I can't tell you. And I wouldn't know what to tell you. Can we get into the details about the shirt though? Hold on. I know she's wrinkly, but just imagine her not wrinkly, okay? Use your imagination and just picture her not wrinkly. Thank you. You can tuck her in. You can do a lot of things with this, but this is just straight out the box onto the mannequin, which is one. This is so classy. This is, wow, this is so classy. This is like for my classy girls. Like, hello, how you doing? You know, your girl is getting into the game so late. Why y'all ain't tell me, bruh? Why y'all ain't tell me? Hey, you should check out this. I think these, you know, nothing crazy. So pretty. This, when I mean this. It's giving, okay? It's hey, what's up? My name is, what's yours? Oh my gosh, okay, hold on. This is so freaking pretty, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, like, look at this. Y'all already know I had to put it in a way that I like it. This is how I like to wear my jean jackets. The other way was cute too, you know? But this, I feel like it's more me, you know? Here we are with the jeans set. Denim on, denim, because denim on, denim looks so good. Oh, this is so cute. I feel like a girly girl. Yeah. I feel like a girly girl. This is basically my last outfit for this video, which wraps it up. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. If you made it this far, comment a blue heart so I know we tugged in. Okay. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so you can get notified every time I post a new video so you won't miss out. Don't forget to let me know, okay? Let me know in the comments below. Should I do more of these? Should I do less of these? I remember you guys really like my clothing haul, so I'm trying to tap back into that. I have a lot of clothes to show y'all, and I have, of course, a lot of gems to show y'all, because I am Teddy about gems. I guess I'll see you guys in my next video, and thanks for tuning in. Bye!
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in time.